So the success ladder is here up with another video on division of 1 and 2 digit numbers by 1 digit. And in this we'll be doing it with remainder. So the previous videos of division that we have done, that was of without remainder. But in this video we will be covering the questions in which remainder is included. So let's start. So in the previous video we have seen that how we can divide a 1 digit number without remainder. So in today's video, we'll see how we can divide 1 digit number in which remainders are there. So let us start. Let us see question number 1. 8 divided by 3. So here 8 is dividend and 3 is divisor. So now whenever we do division, so first step is to make a home. So in this also we'll be making a home first, and outside the home I will write the divisor, that is 3, and inside the home I will write 8 as dividend. Now we have to check whether 8 comes in the table of 3 or not. So as we know that 8 doesn't comes in the table of 3, so we will take a lesser number than 8. So 3 2s are 6. So 2 I will write here as quotient and 6 I will write down here. Now the next step is to subtract it. Now 8 minus 6 is 2. So as we can see here that our quotient is 2 and remainder also is 2. Now let us see how we can cross check our answer. So we have a formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. Now first we have to identify that what is our dividend, what is our quotient and what is our remainder. So for that, quotient and remainder I have already written that 2 is a quotient and 2 is a remainder as well. So dividend, the number that we write inside the home, that is the mark of dividend. So our dividend is 8 and our divisor is 3. So now by looking at this, we can put the digits here in this formula. So divisor is 3. So 3 multiplied by 2, that is our quotient, plus again 2 is our remainder. So now first we have to multiply these two, the divisor and the quotient, and then we have to add the remainder. So 3 2s are 6, then plus 2, that is our remainder. So 6 plus 2 is 8. And as we can see that our dividend is also 8. So here both are matches up. That means that our quotient is correct. Keep a thing in mind that first we always have to multiply the divisor and the quotient. So don't do the other way around. Don't add quotient and remainder first. So first always we have to multiply the divisor and quotient, and then only we have to add a remainder. So now let us move to another question. Let us take 39 divided by 7. Now again we are dividing it here. So first we'll make a home, and dividend here is 39. So 39 I will write inside the home, and outside the home I will write divisor as 7. Now first I need to see whether 3, as 3 is the first digit, it comes in the left hand side of the dividend. So first we'll see whether 3 comes in the table of 7 or not. So as we know that 3 is smaller than 7, so it can't come in the table of 7. So what we will do, we will take both the numbers together. We will take 39 all together and check whether it comes in the table of 7 or not. So let us see. 7 5s are 35 because 39 doesn't come exactly in the table of 7, so we have to take a smaller number. So 7 5s are 35. Now the next step is to subtract it. So 9 minus 5 is 4 and 3 minus 3 is 0. So here we can see that our quotient is 5 and our remainder is 4. Now it's a time to cross check our answer. So the formula for cross check is again the same. Dividend, DI stands for dividend, is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here the dividend is 39 and divisor here is 7. So let us put into the formula. Dividend is equals to divisor. So divisor here is 7 multiplied by quotient, that is 5, plus remainder, that is 4 here. Now again first we have to multiply these two. So first we will be multiplying 7 and 5. So 7 5s are 35 and then we will be adding remainder to it, that is 4. So 35 plus 4 is equals to 39. And here also our dividend is also 39. So here both are matching up. Our left hand side is equals to the right hand side. That means this question is also correct. Now let us move to the another one and the last one for today. So the question is 67 divided by 5. So all the steps that we have used in the previous questions will be following the same here as well. So first is to make a home and write the dividend inside it. So here the dividend is 67 and divisor is 5. Now always try to solve it from the left hand side, taking digit from the left hand side. So here 6 is on the left hand side of the dividend. So first we will be taking 6 only. So first we need to check whether 6 comes in the table of 5 or not. So here as we know that 6 doesn't come in the table of 5. So we have to take a smaller number than that, the digit that comes in the table of 5 itself. So that is 5 ones are 5. So here down 6 I will be writing 5. Now the next step is to subtract both numbers. So 6 minus 5 is 1. Now the next step is to take the 7 down. So it becomes 17. Now we have to check whether 17 comes in the table of 5 or not. So 17 doesn't comes in the table of 5. So what we do, we will take a smaller number that comes in the table of 5. So that is 5 3s are 15. And now the next step is to again subtract it. So 17 minus 15 is 2. So here our remainder is 2. So this is our remainder as 2 and our quotient is 13. Now we will see how we can cross check our answer. So again we will be using the same formula, that is dividend is equals to divisor multiplied by quotient plus remainder. So here our dividend is 67. Let us identify from the question itself, and the divisor is 5. Now we will put the same into the formula, that is dividend. Dividend is 67 is equals to divisor 5 multiplied by quotient. Quotient here is 13 plus remainder. Now first we will be multiplying divisor and the quotient. So 13 multiplied by 5. So 13 5s are 65. Now we'll be adding the remainder. So 65 plus 2 is equals to 67. And as we know, as we can see that here dividend is also 67. So both are matches up. That means our question is correct. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.